The information on this YouTube channel, and the resources available, are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are going to be talking about how to create a YouTube channel, 2024 Guide for Beginners. Have you ever seen someone drowning in money, without a partner? Hey there YouTube friends, my name is Rebecca. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Parr and his smart strategy, which is the How to Create a YouTube Channel, 2024 Guide for Beginners, plus his completely $0, complimentary training. You could make serious money with a YouTube business. This video was prepared in the English language with a female narrator. Matt Parr went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 plus a month with YouTube, within 8 years before he was 23. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. As at 2024, Matt is about 23 years old, coping with a beautiful girlfriend. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Have you ever seen anybody showered with money, without a partner? Here's how to create a YouTube channel, step by step this year, with all the latest optimization techniques. This should make sure that your channel is optimized to get as many views as you possibly can, including a lot of the key optimization features that most people miss. By the way, congratulations if you're starting a channel on YouTube. It is the best place on the internet to start and grow an online business. This is coming from someone who's made millions of dollars, from starting dozens of different YouTube channels. So, you're making a fantastic choice. Let's start with step number 1, which is to actually create your account. If you already have a Google account, you can skip this part. If you don't have an account, simply go down and click Create Account. Then select for Work or My Business. If you're going to be treating YouTube as a business, then from here you can put your first and last name in. Click Next, and from here enter some basic information, like your birthday and a couple of other things. You will need a Gmail email address to set up your YouTube account. They may also ask you to verify your phone number, and then they'll ask you to put in the name of the Gmail you'd like to secure. From there, you will have a Gmail account in which you can create your YouTube channel. Once you already have a Google account, what you can do is click on your profile picture in the top right, and then go down to Settings. From here then we're going to click Create a New Channel. You can have many different channels under one Google account. If you'd like, then you can simply click Create Channel. From here you can give your channel a name. Just for an example, this is going to be a channel I'm creating for my younger sister who is recently starting YouTube. So we can simply type in Kayla's Cash. Actually, it would be better to select your own name. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Have you ever seen anybody showered with money, without a partner? So that is what we're going to call the channel. Check the box, and then click Create. One quick bonus tip for creating your YouTube channel: make sure to use a password manager for saving the password of your Google account. It'll help you so much. The one that I recommend is called Bitwarden and it is completely free. If you need some help coming up with a YouTube channel name, you can simply go on over to a website called ChatGPT, which is completely free. Type in, "Give me 30 YouTube channel name ideas for a channel about making money." Then click Enter. You can see that ChatGPT will go ahead and give you 30 different great channel name ideas. Now with all of these ideas that you get, make sure that you run these through a website like the WIPO Global Brand Name Database, to make sure that it's not already an established company. Also double-check on YouTube that there's no huge channels using one of these names. But you can get hundreds of name ideas from here, and Matt can almost guarantee that you'll find a good one doing this. It's time for step number 3, which is customizing your channel. Once you have your YouTube channel created, you can get to it at any time just by simply clicking your profile picture, and then clicking View Your Channel. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. It'll bring you right to it. In order to add a profile picture, it's very easy. Just hover over your profile picture, click it and then it'll let you upload a new profile picture. In order to create a profile picture that looks very professional, Matt recommend using a website called snappa.com. I'll leave a link in my free training where you can check it out. It's basically a fantastic image maker where you can create images directly online. We're just going to use a photo of my sister for her channel. If you're creating, for example, a faceless channel, Matt recommend going to custom graphic or size. Put in 1080 by 1080 for the size and click create. Then you'll want to add a banner image, which is the image that shows in the background of your YouTube channel. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Have you ever seen anybody showered with money, without a partner? In order to do that, all you simply have to do is go back to Snappa, and they have a built-in YouTube banner template. The dimensions are 2560 pixels by 1440 pixels. You can just click that if you're using Snappa, and it'll give you tons of templates that you can use to create that channel banner. If we see a good one that we can use, we can just click it, and it'll open up. Then you can simply edit any text that's on it. Since we're going to be calling her channel Kayla's Cash, Matt can upload a photo of her. If he wants, he can resize it a little bit. What's cool about Snappa is, he can even remove the image background. We're just going to click Save and then click Download, and then click Web Optimized JPEG. Go back to YouTube Studio, click Upload for banner image, select your banner image, click Done, and boom, now we have a background image for our channel. For watermark this doesn't matter that much. You can literally just put some text that says subscribe. Matt sees some people do that, but you can just leave it blank. If you click View Your Channel, you can take a look at the changes that you made and see what it looks like. Step number 4 is unlocking all of the features for your channel. Some features, for example, adding custom thumbnails on your videos to entice people to click them, do require some additional verification. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that from your YouTube channel page. Click your profile picture in the top right and then select YouTube Studio. Your YouTube Studio will be your hub for checking analytics, changing settings, and basically getting into the behind the scenes of your YouTube channel. From your YouTube analytics you can go to the left side and go all the way down to the bottom to settings. From settings, go to the side and click channel. Then click feature eligibility. From here, in order to unlock, for example, custom thumbnails, which is an absolute must, Matt highly recommends doing this before you upload a single video on your YouTube channel. All you have to do is just verify your phone number, so click to verify phone number. Put your number in, it'll send you a text message. Verify it, click that and then you'll be able to put in your phone number and click to get the code. From here, they're going to text a 6-digit code real quick. Then I'm going to enter this code and then click submit. Boom, now the phone number is verified with YouTube and all of these features are enabled. There are some additional features which require even additional verification as well. For example, being able to upload more videos every day. Another, being able to apply for monetization to put ads on our videos. We need this to make additional money. That way, and this is a big one, putting external links in our video description. This is very important if we're selling something like affiliate products or our own product. Is this good information? This is very important to do and it does require some additional verification. You have two options for this. Number 1, you can do something like upload a video of yourself, submit a valid form of identification to YouTube, which usually takes a couple days. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. It's fantastic that you came by. Have you ever seen anybody showered with money, without a partner? They'll verify you or you can get some channel history, which simply means having your YouTube be active for around a month. Meaning, uploading regular videos. Then they will go ahead and enable these features on your channel. Matt usually just go the video history route, but if you do have some links that you need to put in your videos from the very beginning, make sure to go in here and do this. Now it's time for step number 5, which is optimizing your channel. These are some additional settings that are going to help your channel get more views, and rank in the algorithm faster. So let's dive straight into them, starting with going back into our YouTube studio. From here go to the left-hand side and down to Settings. From here go to Channel, and first of all select your country of residence. For me, I'm living in the United States, so I'm going to go down and select United States. Under that, he can add keywords that relate to our channel. So my sister's channel is going to be about making money online. So I'm going to put in keywords like make money online and earn money. If you need any help with this you can use something like ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT, give me 30 keywords about making money online. Click Enter. Let's see what they give us. As you may see, it may give us a couple of good ones, for example, passive income, that's a good one Matt wasn't thinking of. Also, side hustle. Side hustles make money. Put the name of your channel. So Matt's sister's channel name is Kayla's Cash. We're just putting in a couple extra keywords that relate to our channel. If you want to go even a step further with this, and find the absolute best keywords to put here, you can check out a tool called vidIQ. Matt will leave a link in his free training, where you can get it basically for free for the first month. That'll help you find the best keywords to use. From here, he wants to go to Advanced Settings and select if our channel is made for kids or not. This channel is not going to be made for children. All you have to do is ask yourself, is the intention of this channel to be shown to people under the age of 13? If that's no, then he clicked no. This channel is not for kids. Click Save. The next step is to select our upload default. So he just goes down to Settings and then to Upload Defaults. From here, go to Advanced Settings, select your video language. This channel is going to be uploading videos in English, so we're going to scroll down and just select Overall English. If you know all of your videos will be in a single category, for example, my sisters are all going to be how-to videos. I'm going to select How to and Style right there. Then I'm also going to select the title and description language, which is also obviously going to be English. Finishing soon. I am still with you. Then he can simply click Save. This will save us a ton of time in the uploading process when he upload every new video. What he want to do is customize our channel to get as many views as possible. This is very easy to do. Go to the left-hand side down to customization. Go over to the featured sections of your channel. Click Add Section, and Matt recommends adding a popular video section. Why? Because your popular videos are that way for a reason. Because they're typically performing well within the algorithm, so he want to push people to those videos that land on our channel. So that will help you get more views. You can add some playlists here if you want, as well as feature channels. He could add a section that says check out these channels, and of course, we'll leave a link back to our channel. Once you've made these changes, you can also even add a channel trailer if you want. In the beginning, he doesn't have any videos on this channel, yet we're just going to click publish. He can add things like that channel trailer, as well as a feature video for your returning subscribers, later. Rather than just talking about all of this, Matt feels that you would be better off experiencing Matt Parr's free training. Matt will explain in great detail everything that you will want to know. The link is at the top of the description below. Great to see you here. Have you ever seen anybody showered with money, without a partner? To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training.